class. This is Calculus 28. How are you doing?
Very good.
I don't care. My name is Vladimir Vladimirovich Vladimirovsky. Repeat it.
Vladimir.
Shh. How do you like math?
I don't like math.
Don't care. How do you like math?
I don't like math.
Don't care. How do you like math?
I very much like math.
Honestly, I don't even care. So, what do you guys want to review today? Ooh! I almost forgot. I have a prize for you. This, I almost forgot at my goat show. This is life, this is love, this is liberty. So, what do you guys want to review? What?
Can we review addition, please?
Oh, addition. I love addition. So, what in addition do I want to?
How do you add, like, 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2?
Yeah.
You're joking. You're trying to be wise.
No,
Your friends
no,
here.
I'm not.
Yeah, I see you are. It's obviously 5. What?
Mr. Vladimirovich, I just want to learn how to add.
And come on, let's be honest. You're trying to be wise. Office,
I'm not.
please don't do
Mr.
this.
Vladimirovich.
L.
I already see what this is going. Go office. Office.
Hold it.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh, and by the way, no hats in school. So.
L.
L. Oh yes, that's how they say it. L. Very funny. Okay, so what do you want to review?
Can you review quadratics?
Quadratics. Oh, of course, yeah. I know what quadratics are. Do you want to?
Yeah,
ask
yeah,
them?
yeah,
Okay, let's go, Billy.
That's not my name.
Let's go, Willie.
That's not my name.
Let's go, Johnny.
That's not my name.
Kevin, it does not matter.
Don't call me that.
Okay, you're getting on my last row too. Do you want this? The stapler going big?
No.
No. That's what I thought. Chill.
Chill.
Chill. Throw this pepper.
No, thank you.
Chill.
Okay. Let me just get my work prepared and
Okay.
I'll be ready in a few seconds. No. Okay. Just. Okay, let me just go set up my computer.
Okay, that's fine. What is this? Students, am I right? Learning these days. Stapler, that's all you need, class. All you need. Not gonna lie. Pizza, great. Raisins, great. Don't touch. Good.
So a polynomial is written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. So this is an example, 4x squared plus 9x plus 5. In this case, 4 is a, 9 is b, and 5 is c. So now I'm going to show you how to factor a polynomial using a fast method called the Kung Fu method. So the first step in doing this is to multiply c by a.
Wait, so A is compromised?
No, for now you just get rid of a, right? So in this case, 4x squared plus 9x plus 5 turned into x squared plus 9x plus 20. 4 times 5 is 20. For now, the 4 is gone, but that's going to come back later. Step number 2, you find factors of c that add to b. So now what you want to do is find factors of 20. 1 times 20 equals 20. 2 times 10 equals 20. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 plus 5 equals 9. That's the value of b, and this was that step. Step 3, you want to plug in the factors of c in the expression x plus or minus that value times x plus or minus that value.
I'm so confused. So do you plus or you minus? What is this?
So what you do is, you add if the number's positive and you subtract if the number's negative. So if it's 4, you do x plus 4. If it's negative 4, it's x minus 4. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So in this case, it'd be x plus 4 times x plus 5. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Next step is to divide each whole number by the original value of a and simplify the fraction. So the original value of a was 4. That's why I said you bring that back later. X plus 4 over 4 is x equals 1, so that's simplified. X plus 5 over 4, you leave that for now. Next step. If there's still a fraction, 5 over 4 is a fraction, you move the denominator, so the denominator in this case is 4, and make it the coefficient of x. So 4 becomes the coefficient of x. So the factored polynomial becomes x plus 1 times 4x plus 5. Does everyone understand?
I have a question.
Shh, Rochik. Yes, we understand.
Okay. Let this picture of Putin get up here.
I change your garbage presentation, presentation, you garbage. Connect the dots is where you belong. Jump in, But honestly, on a 1 to 10, you've been a 1. It was alright presentation, not going to lie, it was pretty bad. But, yeah. What?
Can you teach her to graph the quadratic?
I mean, I prepared a slide for that, so why not?
Okay, teach it.
Oh! So now I'm going to be showing you how to graph the quadratic in the form y equals ax squared. The parent function is y equals x squared, which is the most basic quadratic function in the family of quadratic functions. So For y equals x squared, the first step is to find values of x. So I picked 5 values, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. I plugged those values in the equation, and then I got the y values. For example, I did 2. 2 squared is 4. So I got all these values, and I plotted them on a coordinate plane. So I plotted the coordinates -2, 4, -1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, and 4. So 2 key concepts you have to recognize when you graph the quadratic is the axis of symmetry and the vertex. The vertex is the lowest or highest point on the parabola. And the axis of symmetry is a line that passes through the parabola and divides the parabola into 2 symmetrical parts. So in this case, the vertex is 0, 0. And the axis of symmetry is 0. One key concept and another important thing to recognize is that the axis of symmetry is always the x value of the vertex. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to graph something in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. The example I have here is y equals 3x squared minus 6x plus 2. So the first step here is to find the x value of the vertex. To get the x value of the vertex, you use the equation y equals -b over 2a. So looking back, the b value here is -6. So I did -6, 2 times a here is 3. I'm going to simplify that. -6 times -1 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So now we have the x value of the vertex. Step 2 is to plug the x value in the original equation and find y. So if the x value is 1, we're going to plug it into this equation to get the y value. So 1 squared is going to give us 1. 1 times 3 is 3. -6 times 1 is going to give us -6. And there's obviously plus 2. So 3 minus 6 is -3, plus 2 is -1. So now we have the vertex, which is 1, -1. We're going to plot that right here. And after that, you have to create a table of values. And for the table of values, I also had the vertex, 1 and -1. But besides that, I had 2 other coordinates. I got 0 and 2 as the x values. I plugged them into the equation right here, and I got the y values. Plotted them. I drew the parabolic shape, the parabola, and I added arrows. And I recognized that the axis of symmetry was the x value of the vertex, which is 1. So do you understand now?
Honestly, I do. It's better than last one, but it's still pretty garbage. You honestly still do belong in garbage. I'm not joking. I'm not lying. Why would I be lying? Come on, you know me. You know me. Honestly. Hey, let's not do this. You think you're a wise guy? You think you are good? Oh.
Russia fell.
My son. Russia never falls. I mean, what do you think he is?
Hello class, sorry I'm late today.
Papa Bear, Big Bear has been compromised.
Vladimir, let's go, let's go!
You call me Big Bear!
Come on, let's go!